Namaskaram. Hello everyone. This is Raktim Chanda from the Talentsofworld Artist Academy, yielding you all to provide my knowledge in the sphere of Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi, the Indian classical dance genre. Today, I would be focusing on Bharatanatyam, the dance form originating from the Deccan part of India, especially Tamil Nadu. So, before wasting enough time, I would be just going to the basics of the Bharatanatyam and how we begin our dancing arena in this field. So, just for you to know about the intricacies of Bharatanatyam, that Bharatanatyam, as the name suggests, is a syllable of three, that is Bha, Ra and Ta. Bha, coming from the word Bhava, meaning the expressions. Ra, meaning the ragam or the ragas associated, and Ta, or the talam aspect, the rhythmical aspects of the dance. So together we combine Bharata, Bhava, Raga and Tala, making it a complete form known as the Bharatanatyam. So, just the intricate basic steps that we would be learning today are named as adavus. Adavus are the basic steps that we learn before we begin our journey into the main form of this classical piece. So, the first set of adavus are known as the tatta adavus. Tatta meaning to strike. So, the tatta adavu is a combination of the 8 successive steps, and it is also a combination of the various multi-faceted beauty of a dance. So, before we begin, we have to keep in mind few things that I would be going through. The basic stance of how a Bharatanatyam is treated is the sthanakas, mandalas, that how we sit, how we stand. So it has to be kept in mind. So basically we have 3 stances, or the basic sthanakas that we talk about are the samapada, that is, we would be completely standing with our feet in attention posture. Then it comes to aramandi, which is the half sitting position of the basic element of Bharatanatyam flavor, and no such adavus or steps is complete without sitting in half position or the aramandi. And the more lower position that we sit and do complete sitting position is the murumandi. So the 3 sthanakas, samapada, aramandi and murumandi, which I will be showing. Let's see. So, we have to be completely standing in the attention posture, and this position is known as the samapada. Then, we just turn our feet and sit in the half sitting position known as the aramandi, and then we lift our heels and sit in the complete sitting posture known as the murumandi. Hope it is clear. Similarly, I will be showing that from this is the Murumandi position. Then we lift and place ourselves in the Aramandi position, and then we again join our feet into the Samapada position. So there is a exercise also related to it where we do Samapada, Aramandi and Murumandi. Again we rise into Murumandi, Aramandi and Samapada. If we keep doing this into the various speeds, it helps you build up the energy and the calf muscles will be strengthened enough for you to help in your dance. So, the same thing can be done into 3 successive speeds, that is, the first being known as the Vilambit Laya or the slower pace. Then we move on to the Madhyama Laya or the intermediate and the immediate speed that we increase, and the final, that is the Drutalaya or the faster speed. So, first speed, second speed and third speed. First is Vilambitalaya, then comes the Madhyamalaya, and then is the Drutalaya. These are the tempos associated with the dance. So, coming to the Tattadavu. Tattadavu, as I have said to you people, that Tattadavu means the complete striking of feet on the ground. So how do we do that? So, in the Aramandi posture, it should be kept in mind that the hands behind should be completely affixed with your waist and the hands are in complete pataka. This hand gesture is known as pataka. So, we completely affix our hands into pataka. And it has to be ascertained that our legs are completely towards the side. Meaning, if I show from the frontal view, it is the complete straight line, making a 180 degree between your feet, and you have to sit. You have to make it sure that you don't stand and be seated in complete Aramandi posture. And you have to keep in mind that the moment your heels get lifted, that is your perfect Aramandi position. The more you sit, you develop strength into your feet. Then you can start with the Tattadavu. Just to show, Tattadavu, the basic first step, without going into deeper, you have just strike your feet without lifting your knees. But the position from your feet will be only a gap of 3 fingers. So you can measure the distance and sit accordingly. And strike your feet. Once right and the second with the left. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. We say tei yat tei kitataka rei yat tei tei yat tei kitataka tei yat tei. It should be also be ascertained that you just do not shake your body and your body doesn't move while doing. So the center of force should be in the complete thrust and pressure should be on the ground, keeping your body balance straight without moving here and there. So the basic first step is the keeping the aramandi intact and dancing to it in the first step of tattadavu. That is striking first the right and then the left. This same thing we do repeat in the 3 successive speeds, that is in Vilambita, Madhyama and Drutala. So I shall be showing you and I will be proceeding further. So we do Tay, ya, tay, 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 tay, ya, tay. So, the more we do not move, we keep the energy intact within ourselves and we dance to it. Hope I'm clear enough. Would be posting the next set of videos of Tattadavu to you people sooner, so it helps you to energize and build enough strength for doing the entire set of adavus of the Tattadavu, the complete set of 8 successive steps. So for now, bye bye. Hope you do enjoy doing these steps as I have tried you people to teach. So see you next time, and thanks to the Talents of World for organizing a wonderful approach of providing a platform where we could share a knowledge to you people. Thank you. Bye-bye.